Hi, it's me, Prasanna Sapkota, and I welcome you to this presentation of INF10004 Database Analysis and Design, and I'll be conducting an oral presentation for this assignment 1. So, these are the contents for my presentation, and it begins with the introduction and then few words about select statement. After that, I'll discuss about the queries in task 2 from part A to C as it uses select statement. Starting off with the introduction, we have an ERD or entity relationship model. To put it simply, ERD is a graphical representation that shows the relationship among various types of objects fit in the database system. The purpose of this ERD is to record the number of hours author put into their development of their books as shown here on this slide. You can see we have four entities which includes textbook, allocation, author, and work session. Furthermore, you can see there are two different types of rectangles. There are two solid outline and another two with border outline. The one with borderline is called weak entity, which are allocation and work session, and the one with the solid outline are textbook and author. Likewise, for the attributes such as TBID, title, selling price, these are foreign keys, and the one with the underlines like of author ID or work year, those are primary keys. Before we go on to discuss about select statement, I would like to give a brief overview on SQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language, and it's a standard for relational database management systems. SQL consists of three sub-languages: DDL, DML, and DCL. But for select statement, I would like to focus on DML, which is a data manipulation language which modifies data in a database. Select statement is acquiring data. So basically, select statement is a clause which is used to extract data or display data stored in a database table. The syntax for select statement is select item from table name. For example, if we type select lake ID, name, age from lecturer, then it will display the selected column. Select statement is mostly a column specified language, and we can use the asterisk symbol to display all columns then a specified column. As you can see here, select asterisk from lecturer, or you can say select all from lecturer, which displays the entire table. Now let's move into the discussion of queries in task 2. For query 1, it was pretty self-explanatory task where we just had to get author IDs working at work week and work hours from the work session table. And what we did was we organized it by working in work week afterwards to make sure that we get that order correctly. Select statement was used in this query to list author ID, work year, work week, and work hours from work session. Also, order by statement was used to order it according to the requirement. Now for query 2, we did a quick total sum of how much work hours each author has, which can be identified from their author ID, and this will tell you, and then from descending order it will show who has done the most work through the text, and that they'll all be from the work session table. Now for the query 3, this was more of a reorganizing and reordering. So what we did for this is we selected all the data and then we grouped it together to make sure we have the right ones, and then we then order it so we get the right sequence allocated. So there I would like to conclude my presentation. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.